Hello everybody, hello and welcome to my YouTube creative studio. This is the second part how to create this beautiful summer crop top. In the first part I explained to you how to crochet this cute flower granny squares. They are super easy to create, and now I joined 12 squares together and made a beautiful summer top. And do you know what is absolutely perfect on this top? That it's absolutely reversible. You can vary the front part to front or to back. You can wear it upside down, and every style is unique. Yeah, I think you can enjoy the summer, the festivals, parties with this summer crop top. I made 12 unique squares. Every one is different, and I will show you how to join them together. The written pattern how to create the square and how to make the crop top is for free on my blog. The pattern notes are available in the box right below this video tutorial. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video tutorial. You can reach me on my Facebook page, Pinterest and Instagram as well, and I'm here and happy to help. So now I place 10 squares like this. One is for the back side and one for the front side. You see, so this is the position of squares, and now I will place one square on the side, but you have to fold the square in half, and the second and the last square on the left side. So this is the only exceptions. On side there are folded squares, and I created the squares from leftover yarns. I used a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook to make the square. The first round in the middle is made with a white yarn. There are two colorful rounds, and the fourth round is with a pink color, and the last round with a black color. And I will join the squares with the black yarn. So take two squares and place one on the other, and there are right sides of squares inside. So the wrong side is facing you, and the second wrong side is facing to the table. Now insert the hook into the chain 1 space in the corner like this. Make a slip knot, and then chain 1 in chain 1 spaces. Now you joined the corners, and I will continue along the sides. I know this is the black yarn, so it's not very visible, so I will explain. Insert the hook on front loop only on the first square, and then back loop only on the second square like this. Okay, so the first loop is the loop which is closer to you, and the second loop is farther from you, and make a slip stitch. And it's easy to find the stitches as you have the same number of stitches on each square, and you join easily stitch to stitch. Okay, and always work in front loop and then on the back loop, and make a slip stitch. So it's super easy. You see, stitch. So you will continue crocheting till you reach the corner, and when you reach the corner you will make a single crochet. So only in corners I will work single crochet stitches. To join the sides I will work slip stitches. So this is it. Before you start joining, I would recommend you to place the squares in 3 rows like this and join the first and the second round, crocheting up and down. And once you reach the end, continue and crochet together the side, and then continue and join the second and the third round. Okay, so I think this is only the tricky part, that you have to join the side square. Let me show you one more time. So this is the position of squares, and you will join together the side square and then continue crocheting and joining the second and the third row together, and you will finish on the same place where you started joining, so the same seam. And this is the top you will have at the end. So now I will take these 3 squares out, and I will continue crocheting, and I will join the square from the first row with the square on the left side. Okay, and again I will join very easily stitch to stitch. Only once I reach the corner I will make the single crochet. Okay, so let me show you one more time how to join the squares. Okay, turn your work wrong side facing you. Okay, like this. And now I will join the sides. And I will easily continue with the same yarn, the same crochet hook. I made the square with crochet hook 3.5 millimeters, and the same hook I'm using for joining the sides, the squares. So now I join the corners, so make a single crochet and then slip stitch in each stitch. And again, let me remind you that on the first square you are working in front loop, and on the second square you are working in the back loop, like this, and make a slip stitch. Please don't tight the slip stitches so much, so work loosely, it will look much more better. Okay, so I'm working on the wrong side, so wrong side is facing me, and there are now the squares, 4 squares, which I have to join. And my recommendation is to join each square with squares on the sides, and also join the square on the top and on the bottom. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet stitches and one in the middle, and then you will continue slip stitching the sides, stitch to stitch. Okay, so this is it. And it's easy to find the same stitches as there are 3 double crochet groups. Okay, and you will continue slip stitching till you reach the corner. Here we are. Again, you see I have 4 squares reaching the corner, so let me show you one more time. You have to join the square with the squares on its side, and also I would recommend you to join the top and bottom square like this with a single crochet like this. Okay, and again the squares together with a single crochet, and a single crochet. Perfect. And then continue joining the sides. So easily speaking, once you have 4 squares reaching each other like this, I have 5 single crochets there. Okay, one is in the middle like this, so you perfectly hide the space in the middle, in the center between the corners, and then continue crocheting. So let me finish the joining the squares. So 1 single crochet and then a slip stitch in each stitch again till you reach the corner. So this is it, my crochet friends. It's super easy. Okay, so let me show you one more time. So this is the point where are 4 squares together, and I join them like this nicely. And here we are. I'm at the end. I just reached the point where I started the crocheting. So this is the point where I will also finish joining. So let me join the last 2 squares with a single crochet, and then you will be all done with your summer crop top. Okay, so join the right and the left squares together with a single crochet, and this is it. This is it, my crochet friends. We have the crop top finished, and I will show you how you can very easily make the stripes. Perfect. I'm so happy how the top turned out. Nicely joined. And look at these colors, they are so bright. So which side you like more? This one it's more purple. I love it. So I can't decide which one should be on the back and which one on the front. Yeah, and you can turn it upside down, put the stripes in the corners, and I also like this. It's like a more yellow panel. Oh yeah, both are beautiful. So yeah, you can pull the strings through the corners, through the chain one spaces in the corners, and yeah, this is it. Super easy how to make the stripes. So let's make a slip knot and chain a long chain. My chain has 130 chains, so I will meet you once you have the chain finished. This is it. And now, super easy, just insert the hook in the second chain from your hook and make a slip stitch, and then continue slip stitching in each chain again till you reach the beginning of the chain, and you are all done with the stripe. And I will show you how to pull the string to the top. So now you can cut the yarn. I would recommend you to make a knot or 2 knots with both ends and then hide the ends. So super easy. This pattern is perfect for beginners. So insert the hook into the chain 1 spaces. Now the top is on the right side, so it's super. So, and pull the string through both chain 1 spaces, okay, through both corners. Here we are. Pull it and yeah, find the middle point of the chain and then join both ends like this, and this is it. This is it, my crochet friends. Just make one more stripe, pull it through the corners on the opposite side, and this is it. So thank you very much for watching, my crochet friends. This is the end of my video tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I will measure the top as always at the end of my video tutorials. So the width and also the length of the top is the same. It has 35 centimeters, 13.6 inches, and as the top is made from squares, so the length and the width is the same, and this middle part measures 17 centimeters, 6.6 inches. So guys, let me know how your top turned out. I'm so curious. I wish you happy crocheting. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye.